So well guys, you can see now all the passengers are going for the local lunch and I'm very excited and not maybe not because the food will be local. I don't know how it's gonna taste like. So let's see and I'll make a video and I'll even show it to you how's the food of Norwegian local restaurant tastes like. So it's quite a long queue but though. So what I can do is I can show you some beautiful view but it's windy. And it's cold. So forget it. I'm not gonna go there. So I can just show it to you here. So if you come to Norway this side and this is the restaurant name, it's mostly famous for fish, salmon fish. Okay, so I'm going to eat fish. What is this? Angry but too fast and furious. Let's see. I want chicken curry.
Sells a cheese now in supermarkets.
It's like a huge gun. It's a restroom over here.
Thank you, Mark.
Hello.
Hi.
Shy lady. So it's just a small restaurant you can see, but it's beautiful, nice. So everyone has taken their seat. Oh my god. So even I need to take my seat. And that's the view from here. Okay. So taste your crab soup and tell me. Be careful, it's hot.
Ooh, it's nice.
You just
Lovely.
Is it really it's lovely or you just for a video you're saying oh, okay.
It's amazing. Totally worth it.
Okay. So well guys, now it's my turn to taste the crab soup and I am really looking forward for it. My friend has tasted and she said it's amazing and now it's my turn. Look at her man, she's looking so excited. So I'm gonna show my crab soup. Yes. So you can see this is very thick, okay? And you see this red thing, that's crab. So here I go. It's okay. I mean,
It's not. It's lovely. It's so nice.
see, because I'm from India, till the time there's no lot of spices in it, we don't like it. You know, right? You're with me? Yes. They are with
I
me.
don't like spices.
So I'll just finish my crab soup and then I'll switch on the camera again and show to you what is the next dish we're gonna have. So well guys, I have finished my soup. You can see. Still there, guys.
It's finished. Mine is finished.
Guys, I cannot finish the soup. I'm sorry. I'm not a very good soup eater, but I like chicken manchow soup. I really love chicken manchow soup, chicken lemon soup. I really love. I'm not very big fan of creamy soup. Cheers.
That was very good soup. You missed.
So I'm waiting for my food. Let me finger crossed how's my food will be. I don't know. Let's check.
I don't know. Next.
So well guys, we have our food front of us and do you want to see what we have? You can see this is salmon fish, this is potato, carrot and cucumbers and that's it. This is our food. And she is looking very excited to have this food. Me too. But we only eat fried fish, you know. People from Mumbai, they only eat fried fish. Look, She's enjoying so much. So let me also try. So this is my first boiled carrot. Good for health. Good, very good. So I'm gonna have a salmon fish now. Little bit cream. It tastes like bhangra, just that there's no spice in it. What should I do is like I should give this fish to my mom. She can make it 100 times more tasty.
I'm trying to eat it. I don't like salmon, so I'm trying to eat it.
Okay guys, I'll finish this food and then I'll switch on the camera. So well guys, we are nearly done with the lunch. I mean, I am nearly done with the lunch. You can see my friend's plate now. Ta-da! It is as it was. She
I can't eat it.
did not like it at all. Just see it. She just took one bite and that's it. I think then she said like, no, I cannot eat it. I cannot eat it. See it's almost over.
Well done. At least I ate the soup. I
Soup
can't
is not a
speak
food.
English.
Soup is not a food. It's a soup.
Soup is food. Yes, it is. And it's food. This guy.
So guys, we are done with the lunch and now we are heading back to the bus. So guys, we are done with the food. Now we have dessert. Surprise, surprise. So she's gonna try first as usual.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh wow. So much bigger than the salmon. So much bigger.
Alright, see, stays. That is good. Now it's my turn to try it. Let me tell you, I'm not a very good dessert eater. I don't like sweets, but still, it's free. That is why I'm trying it.
we like the free things. We like the free. His face says everything.
No, it's good. It's like malai we have in India. It's same like that. And this cream is good. So we are enjoying our dessert. I'll speak to you later. Thank you. Bye. So right now we are outside. You can see the beautiful spring view. She told me to let's take a walk, but I really don't want to take a walk because it's so hot for her. It's okay. She's white. She's not gonna get dark. She is used to be like this climate, but we are not. We are feeling quite like about guys, we are not able to make more videos because this is a bus tour, and bus tour we are not allowed to talk inside the bus, and the bus will go around in the city and the town wherever, and we need to sit in a bus. So this is the last time we do this bus tour. Next time all the adventures tour. And she got to do all the adventures. Yeah, like a speedboat, helicopter, anything.
Ziplining.
Yeah, but not the bus tour anymore. It is good. It is educational.
Very nice.
Yeah, we get to know a lot of things about the place. So she's just taking a picture. And very soon I'm going to start a very informative people from the different departments. Because the town for her, she works in the photograph.
As a photographer on the ship. Yes. Very nice.
So she gonna come
Lovely.
and give the interview.
And I'm going to interview you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Well, enjoy your bath.
Yes.
All right. See ya. Bye.
ya,
So she gonna go in that bus. All right, guys. I'm going in this bus. Bye.
I don't know, according of how much orc will put into it. Orc white, black. If you look at the left, is what we mostly see. Actually, usually we will find the front is red, like the one we have here to the left. If you look on the right, you see quite a lot of them. Always the farms were red, the house white. Black, it's something which was coming more like from people which will be using like coal as a pigment. So a very simple one.